last day. I'm heading to the WebSummit. Hopefully I can review some talks that I want to see and enjoy the event and try to talk with more investors. Let's go.
Please welcome to the stage co-host of Rise and co-founder of Startups Hong Kong, Casey Lau.
How did everybody have a good time last night at Night Summit? Looks like a lot of you did. You're still kind of coming in. You look a little groggy. Welcome to day 3. The last day of Web Summit is always bittersweet. We have lots to look forward to, but we'll be wrapping for another year at the end of the day. But don't worry, we have lots to keep us interested and entertained between now and then. We've got Brazilian YouTube sensation Conzilla, the pitch finals, find out who will be crowned pitch winner 2022. We have Meta's Chief Product Officer, Naomi Gleit, and Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Okay, but let's get right into the action. We have so much to go for today. Crypto has been dubbed the digital Wild West of tech for many years now. It is a lawless place, but also the new frontier. Is the crypto downturn a growing pain or exposing irreparable weaknesses? Calling the shots for this one is the Wall Street Journal's Caitlin Ostroff. In the Skeptics Corner, we have the founder of the wonderfully named Web3 is Going Just Great website, Molly White. Alongside her, we have the star of the TV show Gotham, turned author and journalist, Ben McKenzie. And in the Crypto Evangelical Corner, we have the founder of Cardano and co-founder of Ethereum, a real crypto heavyweight, Charles Hoskinson. So help me welcome them to the stage.
We should have
This is huge. Hey guys. So now I'll be heading to see some more things and meet more people. So yeah, bye. Oh my god. Boston Robotics in the house. Oh my god. This is the hitting area. It's a lot of people and a lot of places to hit, and this is just one of the 4, I think. So yeah. It's really huge. I just did. Okay. Anyways, okay, it's better. It's better this way. So yeah, I'm at the Web Summit event. It's about midday here in Portugal. I'll be going to eat somewhere. I'm gonna meet with Sergio. So yeah, it's great. Seeing a lot of different people, seeing a lot of different faces, talking with some developers, game developers, blockchain developers, a lot of people like in completely different areas from my main ones. So it's been a huge journey, and I'm really liking
the magic of being at the WebSummit, connecting with a lot of different people, and yeah, it's going great. I don't know if you guys will see the WebSummit logo, but I'll try. Like, it's right there. Sorry. Yeah, at the, yeah, I can zoom, but you can kind of see it far away. Yeah. So it was just a quick update. Hope you guys enjoy this type of shorts that I'm doing. I know that I will most likely post this after the WebSummit. It's I just can't like record and edit and do everything. I'm focusing on getting to know people, more people, talking with investors. Like my first time doing that, and seeing what I can do, seeing what the feedback is, and trying to spread the word. Yeah. Thank you, and hopefully see you in the next one. I might do another one at the end of the event to take more pictures. I'll also try to record the inside of the pavilions because there's like 5, and this is huge. I don't know. I can show you because it's like huge right now. Yeah, but this is the entrance for the food as well. There are like five places to grab something to eat. Like between the pavilions, there are some areas. Yeah, outside here, like you have also another area. This corridor as well. So yeah, it's a lot of things to do, and we also have Vasco da Gama. It's shopping. I was trying to look if I can spot it. It's there. You guys can see it. I think it's that one or not. I think there's Starbucks. I think that's the other one. Yeah. I'll be heading there to meet with Sergio. I already said that. Yeah. Bye guys. See you on the next one. Okay.
Let's enter the first pavilion. Google Cloud. I don't know where AWS is. Damn. But yeah, that's a lot of people. Turkey. I think Intel. It's there. Builder AI. Volter. I know we have some servers there. Don't tell them. MongoDB as well. Binance is right there. Like, that's Binance. Yeah. And there's a lot of companies there. Like a lot. It changes every day. So, yeah. Okay, next one. Yeah, I should have used the things that I have to hold it. It's AWS for startups. There's some talks, investors lunch, Spain, Madeira. It's Madeira, but yeah. There's a booth, the talk stage as well, and I'm not sure what's this. A lot of other companies. I think Polkadot. I don't know if it's right there or at the other place, but I know that Polkadot is also here. Trezor. Another place for startups to talk, to present their pitches. A lot of another booths and Qatar as well. And there's another place. It's a crypto center talk. Let's take a closer look.
And just to add to that, I think a great example is Celsius. A lot of everyday people put their money into Celsius because Alex Wyszynski told them it was a safe place for their money and they would get these high yields.
And then another place for investor meetings
The bankruptcy process at Celsius
and startups.
thousands of testimonials that were submitted to the court.
So it's the end of the day. I really made some really good connections, I think. I really met a lot of people. I'm proud of what I was able to do. I'm proud that I was able to come to this event and getting outside of my comfort zone and meeting a lot of different people, connecting with a lot of different people, talking with a lot of developers and different chains to get to know them and seeing what they do and just enjoying and really getting to know people, not only in the development department but in tools. And yeah, it was a really fun ride, I would say. And I hope that I can that for the next year I hope that I can not only attend this event but be a speaker and not be a general attendee, just be a speaker, because I think I can bring a lot to the table, and I know my value as a not only as a person but as a developer and as a everything. Yeah, I hope you guys like this ride. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I didn't record a lot, I didn't take a lot of pictures because I was like enjoying the ride and enjoying what's in here. That's a lot of different things, and I was really into it and trying to get the most of it. And maybe I should have recorded more, maybe not, but yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy what I was able to record, what I was able to do with the time that I had, because I attended some talks, and I also attended. I also tried to talk with a lot of a lot of people and a lot of investors. So yeah, I just can do it all. But yeah, thank you for being here, and hopefully next year I'll be attending as well. Let's see. Thank you. And just thank you. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lot of people there, and yeah, a lot of people are leaving because it kind of ended. Yeah. Bye guys. And that's a wrap for today, guys.